Good evening. Today we are going to talk about or discuss about artificial intelligence will drive organizational benefits. So, what is AI, which is used in big data? In general terms, AI refers to computational tools that are able to substitute for human intelligence in the performance of certain tasks. This technology is currently advancing at a breakneck pace, much like the exponential growth experienced by the database technology in the late 20th century. Databases have grown to become the core infrastructure that derives enterprise level software. Similarly, most of the new value added from software over the coming decades is expected to be driven, at least in part, by AI. So, needs of AI. Big data and AI have a special relationship. Recent breakthroughs in AI development stem mostly from machine learning. Instead of dictating a static set of directions for an AI to follow, this technique trains AI by using large data sets. For example, AI chatbots can be trained on datasets containing text recordings of human conversation collected from messages apps to learn how to understand what humans say and to come up with appropriate responses. The main constraint on innovations is no longer the difficulty in recording and storing information, but the finding of useful insights among the sheer abundance of data now being collected. AI can notice patterns in mammoth data sets that are beyond the ability of human perception to detect. In this way, the adoption of AI technology can make even seemingly trivial data valuable. So, how AI can be used in cybersecurity? Hardly a day passes without a news story about a high profile data breach or a cyber attack costing millions of dollars in damages. Cyber losses are difficult to estimate, but the International Monetary Fund places them in the range of 100 to 250 billion dollars annually for the global financial sector. Furthermore, with the ever growing pervasiveness of computers, mobile devices, servers, and smart devices, the aggregate threat exposure grows each day, while the business and policy communities are still struggling to wrap their heads around the cyber realm's newfound importance. The application of AI to cybersecurity is heralding even greater changes. And what is Facebook AI? One of the most recent application which can be entertained us by using AI is Facebook. Artificial intelligence technologies is central to our content review process. AI can detect and remove content that goes against the community standards before anyone reports it. Other times, our technology sends content to human review teams to take a closer look and make a decision on it. AI teams start by building machine learning models that can do things such as recognize what's in a photo or analyze the text of your post. For example, AI models may be built to learn whether a piece of content contains nudity or graphic content. Those models may then determine whether to take an action on the content, such as removing it from the platform or reducing its distribution. So, sometimes a piece of content requires further review and or AI sends it to a human review team to take a closer look. In these cases, review teams make the final decision, and our technology learns and improves from each decision. Over time, after learning from thousands of human decisions, the technology gets better. Our policies may change over time to keep up with changes in social norms, language, and our products and service. As a result, our content review process constantly evolves. Okay, what are all the pros and cons of AI? What are the pros of AI? It's reduction in human error. Obviously, human can only make the error. System cannot. If we can program it correctly, so it's reduction in human error. It takes risk instead of humans. By using AI app or AI something, it can be taking the risk comparatively better than humans. So it's available 24 by 7. AI can work 24 by 7. So, and it's helping in repetitive jobs. Digital assistance. And what is cons of AI? High cost of creations, making humans lazy, unemployment, and no emotions. This is all the cons of AI. So thank you all.